Hello everyone. In this session, we will be talking about the hierarchies in Power BI. Hierarchies in Power BI refers to a structured way of organizing the data into the levels or categories, typically in a parent-child relationship. Hierarchies enable users to navigate and analyze the data more effectively by organizing it hierarchically, allowing the users to drill down and roll up the analysis. In Power BI, hierarchies can be created from one or more columns in a dataset, where each column represents a level of this hierarchy. For example, a date hierarchy might consist of levels such as year, quarter, month, and day. Similarly, a product hierarchy might include levels such as category, subcategory, and product. Hierarchies offer several benefits. So, if we talk about some of the benefits of hierarchies, the first benefit is drill down analysis. So users can drill down from higher level summaries to the lower level details to gain some deeper insights into the data. For example, starting from annual sales figure, users can drill down to quarterly, monthly, and daily sales data. The second advantage is roll up aggregation. In this, users can roll up the data from lower level details to higher level summaries to view some aggregated totals. This allows for more concise overview of the data without losing the granularity of the data. The next one is the enhanced visualization. In this, hierarchies can be visualized into the Power BI reports using some visuals like tree maps, sunburst, or hierarchical slicers, making it easier to explore and analyze the hierarchical data structures. The next one is the improved navigation. In this, hierarchies provide a structured way to navigate through complex data sets, which makes it easier for users to find and analyze the data that they need. The last one is the ad hoc analysis. So users can dynamically expand or collapse the hierarchy levels based on their analysis need, which allows them for the ad hoc exploration of the data. In Power BI, hierarchies can be defined manually by the users or automatically detected based on the relationship between the data columns. Once defined, hierarchies can be used in the visualizations, slicers, and calculations to perform hierarchical analysis and gain insights into the underlying data structures. So let's go to the Power BI screen and see how can we create these hierarchies over there. So we are working with the same global superstore dataset, and on the right hand side, I can see all the columns that are present in my dataset. If you look closely, I have this order date over here, which is creating a hierarchy. So no hierarchy was defined earlier. The only data that I had was the different order dates. Also, I had one more column by the name of this shipping date. So this shipping date was also having all the data about the shipping dates, and it has created this hierarchy automatically. So if I just expand it a bit, you can see that the order date is creating this date hierarchy. And in this date hierarchy, I have the option of year, quarter, month, and day. And whenever we will be creating some visuals in the upcoming sessions, you will see that I can choose to show it yearly, monthly, quarterly, or in the daily basis. The same is happening in the shipping date. So it is trying to create a hierarchy which is known by the date hierarchy. So this is automatically detected by Power BI. Now, a thing to understand over here is that I am having some columns which can create hierarchy or which can create some parent-child relationships. For example, I'm having this category option and also I'm having this subcategory option at the last. Now, this subcategory and category create a parent-child relationship because every category is having some subcategories inside that. And it is not showing me in terms of the hierarchy. So what I can do is to create a hierarchy, you can go in this category option, you can right click and you can use this option of create hierarchy. And you will see that it has created a new hierarchy, which is known by the name of category hierarchy for now. And if you just expand it, you will see that I'm having only categories inside it. Now I need to add this subcategory inside that category hierarchy. For that, what I will do is I will come over here in the subcategory, right click, and I will find this option of add to hierarchy. I will use this category hierarchy. Again, I will move to the top and I'll see that it has added subcategories inside this category hierarchy. Now, what is the use of it? So let's say now I'm creating a visual over here. So for example, I'm creating this pie chart. After creating the pie chart, I want to see that what is the category wise sales that is being done. So for that, I will choose this category hierarchy and then I will choose this sales. So we will also talk about how to create different visualizations in the upcoming sessions. For now, you can just see that I have used this category and I have used this sales over here. Now it is showing me the different categories and the sales done by them. What if I want to see the data individually? Well, one of the ways is to drag this subcategory over here in the details. And this will show me the breakdown of each subcategory inside this category. So this is one of the ways to look at the data. The next way is, let's say that I know that the technology category is doing sales of 4.74 million, but I want to see the percentage of each subcategory inside that. For that, what I'll do is, you can see over here on the right hand side, if I select this visual and if I just annotate it over here, so you'll see that in the legend, I'm having this category and I'm also having this subcategory. Now, how to see the effect of it over here? So for that, you can see I'm having this arrow of drill down. It says click to turn on the drill down. So if I click on it, and if I just go on top of any category, let's say I'm talking about this technology, if I come over here and click on it, you will see now it is showing me the distribution in terms of the subcategory. So this is one of the ways in which you can use the hierarchy. After you have chose any hierarchy, you can simply use this drill down option and then you can drill down and see the detailed view of it. Again, if you want to go on the categories, you can use this up arrow which says drill up. You can click on it and it would then take you back to the category. Now let's talk about any other hierarchy that we can create in this data set. So for example, right now I'm having too much geographical information present in my data set. For example, I'm having the country over here. So over here, I'm having this country column. Then I also have the states column. So you can find this state over here at the bottom part. Then I also have the city. So I know that these can create a hierarchy. So for that, what I'll do is if I come over here in this country, click over here and I'll use the option create hierarchy. You will see that it would create a hierarchy by the name of country hierarchy. Now the next thing to do is we have to add the state and we have to add the city in this country hierarchy. So for that, I will again go on the state, right click, and I'll use this option of add to hierarchy. I will not use category hierarchy. You will see that all the hierarchies that I'll create would be listed over here. I will use the country hierarchy, click on it. The same thing I'll do with the city, right click, use add to hierarchy and select country hierarchy. So now you can see it has created this country hierarchy for me. Now let's say if I again want to create a visual. So I'll use this new page and this time I'm using the bar chart. So I'll use this bar chart. So instead of stack, let me use this clustered bar chart. Let's use this country hierarchy and then we will see the sales that has been done in that. So I'll use the sales. Now it is showing me the sales done by each country. Now what if I want to see the different sales done by the different regions in each of these countries? For that, what I can do is I will use this click to turn on the drill down option. I will select it and I can then select any country. So I will select, let's say we are going with Italy. So we will click on here and we will see that what is the sales being done by each of the state over there. Again, if you want to see the detailed information of the different cities that contribute in these sales, so you can click on over here and you will then see the city-wise information. So in this way, you can use the hierarchies in Power BI to create the parent-child relationship. And in this way, they will help you in the visualizations. So this was all for this session. Thank you.